Yo, what's up guys? Good morning. So this is me at 4 a.m. of Saturday morning. So I created a product or a project named AI Driven Reservation Assistant. So this one will handle the inquiries and reservation 24/7 across Facebook and Instagram. So basically, ang problem na sinosolve natin dito is yung missed inquiries, slow response, and lost opportunities of the business owner. So, minsan kapag may client na nag-message sa Facebook or Instagram, hindi nasasagot or hindi na-entertain ng business owner. So, yun yung problem na sinosolve natin. And then, so we created a solution. We created an AI automation that can receive a message from Facebook and Instagram. And then we added an AI model to understand and extract the intent of the message. And then from there, we will match the intent to our business data. So this is the data of our business owner. And then we will mix or match the parameters from these two models. And then naglagay tayo ng another AI to generate a reply. And then it will send the output or the final reply to Facebook and Instagram. So basically, ito is running 24/7. So kahit yung business owner is tulog, nawalan ng signal, nawalan ng data, as long na this workflow runs, makikita niya lahat ng inquiries from Facebook and Instagram. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginawa. Very basic lang, and this is my first automation project using N8N. Am I right? wait guys, where's that? So yan siya. So ito lang yung buong workflow na yon, guys. So ito, naglagay tayo ng webhook para ma-receive yung message from Facebook and Instagram. So we added an ChatGPT here, AI model to understand and extract the intent from the message. And then meron tayo ditong availability or yung data ng business owner or yung client natin. And then meron tayong filter, which is the logic leaves here. So dito natin minamanipulate yung data. And then from here, sisend natin sa another AI model to generate the reply. And then it will send back to Facebook and Instagram. So basically, ganyan guys yung buong workflow. So pakita ko sa inyo yung mga parameters. So dito, eto, where's that?